Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kat nang jan kisngi syaka election MLA ke Bansolong House Nam jar kat Prabanwan. Kejingi kan tho ba kejingi kawang kete ru hapadang kawai keseng bat kawai pan kana nang jor. Dang henne kesngi ka arpsan tarik urisa, wei ni kinong ilam jong keseng BJP na Delhi ubabat ika kerdan National Secretary uhayi thong del lotha. Haka jingwan jong syaka ni ka jala ulai kendo kerpang ru yakinong pathai kubor haka office trekam jong ka BJP kabaran haka ni kanong ba shulong. Habakran sekinong pathai kubor uni unong ilam ke BJP na Delhi ulakan thok joriu Myntri Rangbah kani ke jela Dr. Mukul Sangma da ke bakan noru bau dei Myntri Rangbah bajor tam ke jing Bamsap habai nu jor bat ki wei pat ki Myntri Rangbah jong ki jela hakari India borok wei.
First of all, Mr. Ronnie accuses BJP of depriving tribals. He said, as per the report, the reservation and of the tribals should continue and minorities should continue on a par with the rest of the country. And he has said the Saffron Party's agenda is to do away with such systems, whereas Congress Party wants to continue with the special benefits. I must admit that Mr. Ronnie, by accusing BJP of such a grave thing, I must say he has turned out to be a biggest liar with a criminal intention to instill and to create a disharmony amongst the peaceful fabric of national scheduled tribes and national scheduled caste communities. Unfortunately for the people of Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangma is today counted as one of the most corrupt chief ministers in India. I must repeat, he is today considered the most corrupt chief minister in India. I am shocked to learn that even in his own constituency, Ampati, where the roads are full of potholes and big cracks underneath the roads, despite the fact that Ampati constituencies is receiving the maximum state resources and state funding, and most of the state resources is diverted to Ampati. So I want to question the Honorable Chief Minister, where has all the money vanished? The roads of Ampati is a fit case of fishery, like it has become like a fishery pond, where people can even fish besides the roads.